Hi guys, welcome to Youth Helps of India. Today I am going to show you how to make a blog and how to make money through the blog. So guys, let's go into the video. First, take the Google Apps, then click on Business, take Blogger app and just go on. While clicking on the blog, you will reach to a site. Publish your passions your way. Here you can publish your passion, your interest, your memories. You can even earn money from this. Hang into your memories, different types. Millions of people are joined in this site for making money. So click create site. So they'll ask you to add a name or a title for your blog. I'm giving the name Utipus, and after that they are asking to give an address. They're given an example. Just type like that using the example your favorite name. After typing the address, you can choose your theme, the theme what you want, as there are different types of theme. As my address is correct, if the address is not correct, you should rewrite it until the blue tick comes on the side. So as I said before, you can select theme for yourself. I am selecting the first theme and creating it. After doing this procedure, a blog is created. After that, it loads to a platform. They ask us whether we want a dominance, means we can give money or buy a dominance. It's very costly. I'm not using it. I'm a person who loves free. I want to gain money, not to give money. So I think you're also making this for this use. So they ask me for sign in. I'm just deleting it up. We don't want that. For that, there are many options we needed. So let's go on to that. First, we can create or put a post. I'm clicking on post. It's loading up. There's a platform, a blank sheet, and many options. Navigators above. I'm writing, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, this channel I'm typing on that. You can select, enter a photo, video, a link, anything. We can enter anything. Link of my YouTube channel, not entering it as I said you in the last video. You can even change the language you want, different types of language. There are location, pre-link, likes, main labs, etc. I'm going to upload a photo. So just click upload photo, then you can browse a photo from your PC. I'm browsing a photo from my PC. Browsing photo. The photo browsed from the PC directly goes into the platform given by the app. So click OK. Take 1 or 2 seconds to upload the photo. There will be a button add. Just click on that. The photo adds. You can adjust the size of the photo according to you wish. I'm typing another one. You can also save this, publish this, preview this, even cancel this. So guys, now I'm giving a name for this title or this post. Just a caption, life is great. Isn't it great? So I said my account's name is Utipus. I'm clicking publish. When I click publish, the post is being published. You can view this blog. So after that, I'm going to show you what are there in this website. There are status of how much people follow us, how much people see our posters, how much people like our posters, much more our pages. Next, comments, how much people comment to our posters. So we should look after that. Next, I'm going to show you how we earn through this blogger. We can earn money through attaching this or combining this with Google AdSense, as we do same in YouTube. They are putting advertising for our vlogs. We want a lot of views, then only we will get a lot of money. So we should put posters frequently. Next, it is pages. We can create a new page, etc, etc. We can create a page. Next, adding a gadget onto our platform of vlog, which the users see. So there are AdSense, featured posters, blog search, JavaScript, blog achieve, page header, followers, test, link list, pages, much more popular posters. We can add the popular posters, feed, list, contact forms, Wikipedia, abuse, report abuse, everything. We can get everything over this. After, we can add different types of gadgets on different sides of our blog. That's our wish. They're giving freedom for that. Next option is we can select a theme even after creating this. There are noble themes like noble. There are different types of noble. They're giving an option even after creating this. It's great. Next, we are going to settings, where we can change the name of the blog, we can change the address, we can change the everything, even our name. We can give our personal information, HTTPS, etc. We can change anything. Settings gives a lot of things like that. Contact to email, launch. So I'm going to show you an old blog which I have made before. Go around, a travel blog. I put a lot of posters. This is one of the lastest posters. Go around. This is how a blog looks like. It looks pretty good. This is I'm added Trivago, Trip.com for photography lovers, much more. In tabs I have included translate, search the blog, etc, etc, followers. Many times I'm using these many times. So edit profile, much more. I am even keeping a profile for my blog. Go around. So this is how a perfect blog looks like. There's a search button. You can search the posters which I have uploaded. I'm going to search Taj Mahal. Just type Taj Mahal onto it and click the search button. You will get the information of Taj Mahal. It's a fully So guys, this is the fully information about Taj Mahal. So I'm viewing my created blog again. If we put the posters frequently, we will get a lot of money. We can earn a lot of money through this site, this platform. So I'm going to show you how to comment on a post. Just click comment and add a comment. I'm just adding great man. It's bad to comment to your own blog or own post. I'm showing this for understandingness of yours. So I think you understand how to make a blog, how to make money through it, how to become famous, how to be so rich. As much you upload, you will get money. So I think this video is very useful for you. So please like, subscribe, comment and share to most of the people. As I said before, like, subscribe and comment most of the people. then only we can be a great channel. I'll get a lot of views. Please help me in acquiring my channel. So guys, thanks. Please like, subscribe and comment, I again say. So it's a big bye from Youth Girls of India. It's me Harsh, signing off.